Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the pound dollar, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The oil gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
The Bank of England stepped up efforts last week to beat back the worst inflation since the 1980s by boosting interest rates half a percentage point to the highest level in 15 years. The move surprised investors who had priced in a 40% chance of a hike of that magnitude. An agreement this week by an investment arm of the Abu Dhabi government to invest more than $1 billion in Shanghai-headquartered electric vehicle maker NIO is the latest example of growing Arab-China business ties and an economic diversification effort by oil-rich Middle Eastern nations. The number of Americans applying for unemployment benefits remained relatively elevated last week, potentially another signal that Federal Reserve rate hikes are beginning to cool a surprisingly resilient labor market.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 14:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Germany's IFO Business Climate at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO Current Assessment will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's Coincident Index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Leading Economic Index at 0500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.